we guide you through how to fix iPhone black screen but still works. So the first thing you need to do is to confirm your iPhone is powered on by calling it, listening for vibrations, or plugging it into a charger. Then immediately perform a forced restart by holding the power button together with either the volume down button or the home button depending on your model, and keep holding until the Apple logo appears. If the screen stays black, connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder, then enter your recovery mode by holding the same button combination while plugging in until you see the recovery screen, and choose Update to reinstall the system without deleting your data, only selecting Restore if the update fails. Next, check if it's a brightness or display glitch by pressing the screen or slightly adjusting brightness through voice commands like Siri if enabled. Let the phone charge for at least 30 minutes and try restarting again. If your iPhone still responds with sounds or vibration but shows no display, the issue is likely hardware related, such as damaged screen, and you may need professional repair to fix the display or internal connection.